Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 Nissan Qashqai Acenta Premium. This car comes with the 1.3 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 158 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 40 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 18 and this is a one owner vehicle having covered just over 17,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the Storm White and it's in good condition for age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, first of all, you've got the nice clean interior. The seats are in great condition and these are really comfy with a nice hard wearing material. And there's also an armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. Onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation and DAB radio. And this car also has climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. The Qashqai is a great car for the family, so as we open the rear doors, you have a nice wide door opening if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example. Lots of legroom and headroom, and the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf still in place. You also have the adjustable floor, so at the moment that's at its highest point and you can hide bits and pieces underneath, or you can lower it completely to increase the volume. And then below the bottom floor you also have a bit of extra storage as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally the car comes with LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, the 17-inch alloy wheels and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.